For our little jumping turtle or turtle bracelet, this works either way. I've taken a 260 and inflated about just a little more than 4 inches in there. I'm going to make a little small bubble. This will be his head. Now we're going to make 4 more small bubbles, each about a 1/2 inch bubble. Try to get them all about the same size. So now we've got a string of 5 1/2 inch bubbles. We're going to take bubbles 2, 3, 4, and 5 and twist them all together in a lock twist. And then what you've got left over, take the tail, and if you look at those 4 we just locked together, there's a hole in the middle. Take the tail, poke it right through that little hole there, and then pull it all the way down till that back end comes up tight against it, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and wrap it around once just to make sure it's going to stay, just like that. Now you can leave it like that, draw your turtle shell in the back, and then if you'll show the kids, they'll make a circle with their hand and drop the tail through. Then if you pull the bottom and release it, it'll jump out. Of course, I'm not jumping it very high right now. Or the other option you can do is you can take the very end of his tail here, bring it around and tie it to the leftover nozzle on the end of his nose so that you get a loop like that, and that can be a bracelet that will fit over the girl's wrist. Girls love this, so it can be either a jumping turtle or your turtle bracelet.